Hi, welcome to SS Bhushan's channel. I am SS Bhushan. Today we shall deal with the grammar chapter 26. That is, so far we have completed 25 lessons of our SS Bhushan's channel. Now we shall deal with the 26th chapter. 26th chapter is about conjunctions part 2. In my earlier class I dealt with the correlative conjunction and compound conjunction. Now we shall deal with the coordinating conjunctions. What is meant by a coordinating conjunction? A conjunction that joins two sentences of equal rank. One sentence is not dependent on the other sentence. So when we deal with these kind of sentences, we use the coordinating conjunction. Now coming to this coordinating conjunctions, I mean the conjunctions which are used to connect sentences of equal rank. These coordinating sentences are again subdivided into cumulative conjunction, adversative conjunction, disjunctive conjunction, illative conjunction. Okay, now we shall deal with the first one, cumulative. What is meant by cumulative conjunction? When we say that I received a cumulative increment, that means 100 rupees is my increment, and to that 100 rupees another 50 rupees has been added. Then we say I got a cumulative increment. That means something added to the existing one. Okay, that is called cumulative increment. In the same manner, here in our English language, cumulative means adding something or giving some additional information to the sentence that already exists. Okay, now coming, so simply we can say joins statements. This cumulative conjunction, joining that statement, adding some information. Now for example, and Shruti looked and smiled at me. That means she did two actions. Shruti looked at me and Shruti smiled at me. So this conjunction that we used here is and. In the same manner, so Babu is a wicked man, so I dislike him. Babu is a wicked man is one sentence. I dislike him is another sentence. To that wicked man, to the quality of that person, we are adding some information, giving some more information that I dislike him because he is a wicked man. Of course, again, because he is a conjunction, but anyway, you try to remember that Babu is a wicked man, so I dislike him. Here, this is the conjunction. So, next one, both and. Selena was both surprised and gratified by her success. She succeeded in some examination and she was both surprised and gratified, means satisfied by her success. Both and, that means she was surprised, she was satisfied. Okay, two sentences of independent rank or equal rank have been joined here. Next, as well as, Venkat is guilty as well as you. You are guilty and Venkat is also guilty. Both of you are guilty. So, as well as is used here. Next one, not only but also, this is a familiar one. Shekhar was not only accused means blamed, not only blamed, but also convicted, but also punished. Convicted means punished. The court might have given the verdict that he is the culprit and he should be punished or convicted for, I mean, the punishment might be for 1 year, 2 years, something else. Anyway, here what I would like to say is not only but also. Okay, now coming to the next one, adversative conjunction. The meaning of adversative itself is something negative. For example, when we say that our principal passed some adversative remarks or adverse remarks on this particular lecturer, then we say that adverse means something against him. Okay, so here the other meaning is that contrasting, opposite. Generally we give the example, this shirt is very good but it is short. In such cases generally we say that it is very good but because it is short it is bad. Okay, and also regarding our persons also we say he is a very good man when he is not drunk, but when he drinks he becomes a bad man. So the opposite qualities in a particular in two sentences are brought and connected with the conjunction called adversative conjunction. Okay, or contrasting. The usage, we use it in a contrasting manner. Now, coming to the first one. But Madhavi is poor but beautiful. Madhavi is poor, one quality. Madhavi is beautiful. Madhavi is poor but beautiful. This but is called adversative. That means we are finding fault with her poverty actually. We say that she is beautiful, and at the same time we say that she is very poor. Next one, only. Eat whatever you like, only do not eat this cake. Do not eat this pani puri. Do not eat this chaat. Eat whatever you like, only do not eat. That means except this one, you can eat anything. So this only is used in those circumstances. Next one, whereas Bhushan is hardworking, whereas his wife is lazy. Whereas, so opposite character or opposite quality is brought forward. Bhushan is hardworking, whereas his wife is lazy. She always prefers to eat and sleep. Let us imagine like that. Next one, yet Lasya beats her husband, yet she loves him. Lasya beats her husband. Lasya kicks her husband, but she loves him. Sorry, yet she loves him. This is also an opposite quality or opposite trait, opposite feature or characteristic in her. So, yet, still, you got an IIT seat. You got an NIT seat. Still it is not enough. That means still you have to work for an IIT seat. I am not satisfied with your NIT seat, my dear Parjanya or my dear Tanmay. You have to work for the IIT seat. So you got an NIT seat. Still you have to work for an IIT. Generally, this yet and still are not given in most of our grammar books. But in some books, I find this yet and still. So that is the reason I have written here. You got an IIT seat. Still you have to work for. Okay. Next one. While Satyam is a vegetarian, while his wife is a non-vegetarian. While his wife is a non-vegetarian. So this wife, see opposite characteristics of that family members are mentioned here. Opposite traits of that family are mentioned here. So this is about adversative, or we can also say contrasting, a conjunction that brings into contrast to sentences. Okay, then we use this adversative conjunction. Now coming to the next one. I have mentioned here cumulative, adversative, disjunctive, elative. Now we shall go to this disjunctive. Okay. The meaning itself, the very meaning of that word itself says that something that is disconnected, something that is not joined. Two opposite qualities or two different things are mentioned there. Now, you must take coffee or tea. You must take coffee or tea. There are two things. Alternative. In a nutshell, we can say that coffee is there and tea is also there. You have to take coffee or tea because you have come to my house as a guest. You have to choose something. So alternative or something that is given as a choice. Now you must take coffee or tea. This or is called disjunctive conjunction or alternative conjunction. A choice is given. Next one, neither nor. The bride was neither beautiful nor rich. Again see, neither nor. The bride was not beautiful. The bride was not rich. Okay? Two alternatives are there. So we can say, or we can join those sentences like this. The bride was neither beautiful nor rich. So this can be said as disjunctive conjunction. Either or. You must acquire either a PhD or NET to become a degree college lecturer. So, or. Either or. Okay. Next one. Else. You must be faithful to her, else she may discard you. If you are not faithful to your wife, she may discard you, she may leave you. So, else. You must be faithful to her, else. Okay? Next one. Whether or. I don't know whether you are sending the links to all of your WhatsApp contacts or not. I don't know whether you are sharing or sending the WhatsApp links to all of your. Simply remove this sentence. I don't know whether you are sending or not. I don't know whether you are sending or not. Whether you are sending my links or not. So these conjunctions are said to be alternative conjunctions or conjunctions that are used as a choice. So they are also named as disjunctive conjunctions. Next one, illative, or the conjunction that brings some inference, drawing some inference, some answer. Okay. Now coming to this, for Radhakrishna will die someday. For all men are mortal. Why will Radhakrishna die? For all men are mortal. For means because all men are mortal. In the same manner, all precautions must have been neglected, for the COVID spread rapidly. The COVID proliferated means spread. So here again, for all precautions must have been neglected. That is the reason COVID spread rapidly. This for means that is the reason. This is an inference drawn here. Since you are like Bahubali, you carry this bag. I am a Bakabali. You are like Bahubali. So please carry this bag. Since you are like Bahubali. Since this is called illative. You are supposed to carry because you are very strong. So since. Next one. So he has no mobile, so he cannot share the links of SS Bhushan. He has no mobile, so he cannot share the links of SS Bhushan. Next one. Therefore, Vachita is my niece. That means my sister's daughter. Okay. Vachita is my niece. Therefore, I helped her. So this also comes under this illative. Why did you help Vachita? Because she is after all, she is my sister's daughter. Can't I help her? So Vachita is my niece. Therefore, I helped her. Therefore, illative conjunction. Consequently, YSR died in 2009. Consequently, Jagan faced several hardships. Jagan faced a lot of problems or hardships or difficulties. So here again, consequently is also called an illative conjunction. Okay, we shall deal with the next chapter, that is subordinating conjunctions, in my next video. Please stay tuned to SS Bhushan. Please share the links of SS Bhushan to all of your WhatsApp contacts. Thank you.